Do you know many people are having trouble with their voicemail indicator light not working? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Check light status. First, check the status of the voicemail indicator light on your phone. If it isn't lit, move to the next step. Step 2. Verify new messages. Next, verify you have new voicemails by accessing your voicemail system. Step 3. Enable light setting. Ensure that the voicemail indicator light setting is enabled on your phone. Step 4. Restart the phone. Restart your Yealink SIP-T54W by unplugging its power cable, waiting a few seconds, and plugging it back in. Step 5. Confirm light configuration. Check the phone's settings again to make sure the voicemail indicator light is configured correctly. By following these steps, your voicemail indicator light should now function correctly. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Yealink users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.